Guys, today we are in south of Brazil in another city, and I will show you one of the really beautiful places here. The name of our city today and our tour is Curitiba. It's near my place, that is Florianópolis. It's also located in south of Brazil, and I will show you one of the postal cards and one of the most famous place here if you will visit the south of Brazil. That is called Jardim Botânico. Jardim Botânico means that it's a big garden with different kind of flowers. It's really big. So this is a garden. Look how beautiful. There is many kind of flowers that they are preserved here, and I will tell you a little bit of the story here down in the description. So this is the Jardim Botânico in Curitiba, and this place is really amazing. It's one of the most beautiful places in Brazil. Here today is 13 degrees only and we are cold. Romarico is here. How you find it? You like it? It's good, no? It's beautiful. Me and Romarico, we always came to Curitiba, but this is the first time he visited this amazing place. This is sculpture that it's like representing a mother and the one who, you know, have a baby. It's like to celebrate the mom's love, the mother's love. It's made by bronze, you see, and it's a mother kissing her own child. This one, they have kind of some plants and trees inside of it. They try to maintain and to keep some kind of specific trees. So the vision you have from up here is where we came from, and you have this beautiful garden with the city here behind. It's a big city. Curitiba is bigger than my place here in Brazil, and here we unfortunately cannot enter because it's closed, probably because of the COVID. And here is the place where they have kind of species, as you can see. They have like one garden that they maintain here. Look how beautiful, with opera inside. They are playing opera.